This is Molly. Welcome to the newest advertisement for the 100-Year Blessing and the Butterfly Effect that's coming to Ark City on May the 28th and 29th, just about a few weeks away. But I have something special I want to share with you because Ada and Anthony Carlton came to church. And they shared with me and with the congregation some of the things that they are excited about, and things that are going to happen, and people that you're going to meet at this event on the 28th and 29th here in Ark City. So I'm just going to let the cameras roll, and you can step right into that live service, and you just keep tuned in because there's going to be a lot of surprises upcoming to celebrate this event, May the 28th and 29th, right here in Ark City.
I'm just going to start by explaining this idea of the butterfly effect. The butterfly effect is not just some idea. It's not just some quaint, cute little religious thought. It's a scientific principle. And I'm going to explain so you'll know. Just quickly, we could talk a lot about this. The butterfly effect is where a situation in which an action or change does not seem important, but it is very important and has a very large effect, especially in other places around the world and in other times, maybe 100 years. Wow. Yeah. Think about it. It was a winter day in 1961 when a mild-mannered meteorology professor named Lawrence Edwards entered some numbers into a computer program simulating weather patterns and then left the office to go get a cup of coffee. While the machine ran, you know how computers used to go, it'd spend all day to add two numbers. Mm-hmm. To his surprise, when he returned, he noticed the result would change the course of science. The computer model was based on 12 variables, things like temperature and wind and so on, whose values could be seen on graphs as lines rising and falling over time. On this day, he had rounded off a variable from 0.506127 to 0.506, just for fun, see what would happen. To his surprise, the tiny variable drastically transformed the whole pattern of his program. This led him to the powerful conclusion that one small change can have large consequences, called the butterfly effect, because butterflies flap their little wings and they create a little tiny current that's maybe imperceptible. A butterfly could fly and land on your shoulder and flap its wings, and you might not even feel the wind, but it's there. And sometimes that wind might combine with another little butterfly wing, and when it's all said and done, creates a typhoon over in the Pacific Ocean. Now, I'm not even exaggerating. All of us are kind of like butterflies, and we need to be kind of flapping our little wings whenever we can. And it might seem inconsequential. It might seem like, well, I'm just so wasting my time. But you're not, okay? That's the butterfly effect.